It's alright, it's okay. Chris is traveling today. It's alright, it's okay. Across the country, both ways.
Well, I just came out, was gonna go down to the store, take the RADROVER, and darned if I haven't got another flat tire. I, looked for what it was, and well, there it is. A freaking nail. There's really nothing, related to the RADROVER about that. Any bike would have freaking fitted on this one, but man, what a pain. You can hear it, nice. She's going down. Okay, rather than fret too much, I'm gonna try the method that I believe was Goose to Die For brought up. See how much time it takes, if it actually work. I think it will. Got a patch kit, had a patch kit, and let's see if we can do this. I'm gonna turn the bike over. One of the first things I did, I don't know if you can see it, it's the only pen I have. I'm gonna mark the spot of where that nail was in there. Alright, now what I did, turned her over. Again, making sure that I got good clearance. Nothing's getting smacked. Making sure I got something there to keep from scuffing things up too bad. Here's my arrow. That's where my spot is. I want to note, don't get me wrong, I'm all for the tough E-liners, and I think I'm going to get them for sure. Don't have them yet, so I'm going to get this fixed. But with a nail like what I picked up, I don't think that would have helped. I think that sucker was going through anything. So, we'll give her a shot here. Here's the little kit I've got. Comes with some patches, some glue, little scuff pad. Got to scuff the tube a little bit. Put a thin layer of the glue around the hole. Allow it to dry. Then peel off the patch and stick her on. And my arrow, I'm going to pull this, get this bead off one side. Again, I don't want to use tools if I can help it. So just using my fingers, and it comes off there pretty easy. Then we'll get that tube out of there. I'm going to have to take the valve stem out, even though I really don't want to. Okay, we got access to the tube. The hole should be right there, and luckily it's visible. You can see it right there. That's as much as I'm going to pull out of the tire. Scuffer. Scuff that up a bit. Alrighty. Next we'll apply this glue. Got a little poker on the back side like all these little glues do. Some glue on that baby. Okay. Damn, this is a lot easier. And this is much more viable to do on this side of the road. Wish I'd have known about this before, honestly. Okay, I've given her a few minutes to dry. I know there's all kinds of different patches too. You can use those slime scabs. I don't think that matters, honestly, which ones you like. So I'm going to peel my little patch off here. Careful not to touch the sticky side. We are going to press that on there really good, centering it over the hole. Press that baby on there really good. Man, this is way easier than the way I did it the last time. And this can be done pretty easily on the side of the road. You just gotta make sure you got an air pump. I'll just leave that on there. Not sure if that plastic film peels off, but it sure as hell ain't gonna hurt anything. Okay. Stuff that tire back in there. Put that valve stuff back in. There's actually enough air in the tube still to keep its shape, which is important, of course. Let's see if we get that bead on pretty easy. Go. Make sure our valve stem's pretty straight. That looks good. Damn. Just got a little bit dirty, not bad. The pump's all in all, that took about 10 minutes. Pretty cool. We just about got her up to pressure here. Definitely want to make sure you carry a good pump and a little patch kit. Man, is that easier. You don't have to do anything as far as disassembly. The only tool is really the pump. That can be a pain in the ass, but that's okay. I think we got her. We're going to be off and running. Sweet. Well, I can't tell you how happy I am. My day's not ruined by another flat tire. I'm ready to rumble now, and thanks, Goose.
It's alright, it's okay. Chris is traveling today. It's alright, it's okay. Cross country both ways. Had enough of the 9 to 5.